Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, uVuyokazi just got lobolat girl. Okay, so nje from engagement and now to lobola negotiations, guy is just so serious about girl. I had my doubts at first, but it seems like he is really genuine. Just nje, another thing that's nje so off is that this is also Isithembu naso. But kesana, if it's what she wants, then it's what she wants. This was her and the attire that she was wearing, becoming Mrs. S. So Chef Sabelo Xolani sent people to pay for negotiations, and this is the picture. So these pictures, guys, were revealed by Queen Loli. She always plugs us with gossip, so I have to give credit to her. That's where I got those pictures, and I guess this is one of the people who went for the negotiations. He took a picture with uVuyokazi, and guys, as you can see, she looks so happy. They also bought her flowers, and man, I need to say this, this guy is so romantic. Like, guys, which guy do you know that buys flowers for lobola negotiations, and he knows ukuthi nje intombazana iyathengela ama-flowers. So I don't know what's going to happen in the next season of Izingane Zesithembu. Maybe uVuyokazi will have her own show nje with Isithembu sakhe. So this was the picture of Umkhongi, the one who took a picture with uVuyokazi. They were on a video call with Chef Xolani Sabelo. Guys, this is really happening. This is really happening, guys. Yes, I don't have anything bad to say. I just want to say congratulations to uVuyokazi. And then now Musamseleku got himself involved in this drama somehow. So on the day of lobola negotiations zaka Vuyokazi, he posted Umntana Tirelo and wrote Singabakho Mseleku. Guys, I went to check his timeline. Vuyo's son is not there. Vuyo's son has never been posted. It's so confusing, Jay. And Umntana Tirelo was even posted on his birthday, but Vuyo's son is not there. I don't know, maybe they don't acknowledge ukuthi it's Mpumelelo's son, because even naye Mpumelelo, he never posted Vuyo's son. And then I went to check also on Musamseleku, and I'm like, he unfollowed uVuyokazi. Then I'm checking Tirelo. Tirelo is still there, meaning ukuthi nje uVuyokazi nje has been disowned nje by that family. But I am so disappointed in Musamseleku for being in this whole drama. Drama yabantwana, like you are supposed to stay away and just watch and observe. But Kesana, please let me know in the comment section, what do you think of this matter?